Just see once this image before and after. You can see what a quality of this image. You can also enhance your image like this. For this, follow the step. First search Remaker, and after this you will find remaker.ai. Here you have to go on AI tools and then click on AI image or then AI image upscaler, and here you have to upload your image which you want to enhance. I have a picture of some arena which is in low quality, and I will enhance this picture. So I have selected this, and you can see the quality of image this time, and then click on upscale image, and just wait a second, and after this you will see before and after, and here our picture is in HD quality. You can also enhance your picture like this, and then download from here, and we can see the image quality. You can see just like this. And now I will try with one more picture also, like this, and you can also see this picture. This is in low quality right now, and after this you can see before and after effect. Now you also know how to upscale our image, so just go and upscale your image like this.